The name na Shanka baby, Shanka.
Okay, AKA
Pro Max.
Why you not say AKA?
AKA wait.
I don't like her.
Don't be sure they spell my name now.
I tell you say those are be right.
Right and when? Who can believe them?
That will not look at this place again.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you know, go get house for inside.
Why you don't even ask person in name when you say those are be right?
This one where the key lost. Now I won't give you. No, I'm not going to give you that one.
See.
Now this one.
Now the room where they next to my own, you go give her.
When do we hear of this?
Yes.
But yeah.
Even if person dead there, I go drive her.
Okay. Okay. We are going to finish our pipe later.
Okay.
Shanka babies. What can be your grandfather name?
Oh, I'm not too much.
Which one can your grandfather name do?
If you go for NIN or you go for SIN, you know the meaning of SIN.
Whether na ETC, you go for.
Okay.
Now my grandfather come find has been a me come find.
What is the meaning of NIN?
Now I concern you. Oga,
I say na me go do this interview.
Okay.
No mind and
Okay, you don't.
I ask you question.
Hey, well, no interview. Let me finish my interview.
No. Nonsense question. One question. I'm gonna ask one question now. I beg, if you park enter the house, I beg now around which time you they always like to bath?
what kind of stupid question be that? When I want give me house, I'm gonna ask you another question. Now job I can't find.
It's a very
I don't know the time when you get bath now.
How you just do your business? Go and go. What's the concern with tax section on the pay?
You want to go and be picking.
Who?
You want to go and be picking.
I go go.
You see as she be. Sometimes now maybe the hand no go reach back. You go need person go help am take a washing back. No be people. I won't go dey help am wash him. You wash the all the place where I not reach. I go dey help am. You don't understand? I'm a gentleman, a nice man.
Not be juju be that.
This very good entrepreneur. Entrepreneur.
What to be entrepreneur?
Okay, good person. Okay. Next question.